Hello children, how are you all? Good morning, Sairam. Very good, so nice of you children. So ready for today's session? Yes or no? I'm ready. You're ready? Okay. Oh, see, I know we will be learning only a small portion today, okay? Yes? Yes, we are going to learn the concept over and under. What is that concept? Over, under. Okay? What is this? The concept over and under. Okay? See, children, can you see this picture? Yes, can you see the picture now? The board is there and children are there. Yes, sweet, cute children like you. Yes, now? Okay. So, where they are standing, they are jumping, right? See, they saw the teacher, so they are jumping. Yes? I saw you are also jumping after seeing us. Okay, the same way they are also jumping, na? After jumping, what they will do? What they will do? They will stand in one particular place. Yes? Where they will stand? Over the mat. Over means on the, above the, on the, okay, on that, okay. See in this picture, over means where they will stand on the mat. So this is over. Yes, where is that mat? The mat is under the board. Where is that board? The board, sorry, where is that mat? Mat is under the board. See, the board is above, the mat is under. Okay, above and over are the same meaning. Okay, under and below are the same meaning. Okay, wait, I'll let you know with few more examples, my sweet children. Wow, what a lovely picture, na? Yes, beautiful sofa, correct? Okay, can you see the cushions in the sofa? Yes, how many cushions are there in the sofa? 3 cushions. Yes, I can see only 3. Yes, na? You can also see only 3? Yes, perfect. Where are the 3 cushions? 3 cushions are over or under? Where it is? Over or under the sofa? It is on the sofa. Correct? Yes or no? Yes, it is on the sofa. Okay? Wait, you understood this? Below means under. It is the pillow is lying down? No. Where it is on the sofa. Okay? Yes. Now, same way, see this picture. A man is working. Okay? Can you see the board there? Man working. Can you see this picture? Yes. See, where is that board? It is over the desk. He is working, correct? The board is over the desk. Can you see the dustbin? Where it is? Where is the dustbin? Yeah, yes, children. It is below. It means it is under. Under the desk. Where it is? Under the desk. Understood? Over means above. Over means above. Under means below it. Below that particular thing. Okay? Okay? Over means above. Under means below. Good. Who is sitting on the over the cot or under the cot? You are sitting? Where are you sitting? Just see, where are you sitting? You are sitting under the cot? No. Under the sofa? No. Over the sofa? Over the bed? Correct? Over the floor? Yes, this is the meaning. Okay? Chal. See, I'll tell you one more example. See, this girl is also writing something like my sweet girls. Yeah? See, she's wasting the papers. This is very bad, na children? My children are very good. They will not waste any of the papers. Yes, perfect? Yes, because my children are very smart. Where she is writing? Where is that paper? The bunch of papers are there on over the desk. Correct? Over the desk. Yes? Okay. See, you can see few papers lying down. Correct? How many papers? Paper lying down below the desk, under the desk. It is 2 or 3. Okay. Yes, 3. 1 is near the dustbin. Okay. So 3 papers are under the desk. Okay. Over means above. Under, below. Got it? Yes or no? Okay. See, now you are going to tell this. Can you see the dustbin in the picture? Yes. Where is the dustbin? Under the desk. Under the desk. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Can you see the clock? Where is the clock? Where is the clock? This is over the desk. Where is this? This is over the desk. See, always use your hands so that it will register very easily, sweethearts. Okay. So the clock is over the desk. The dustbin is below the desk. Understood? Wow. So nice of you. So fatafat we are going to complete this. Okay. Yes. This is easy or not? Yes. Very easy. Very easy. Now, my sweet children, please take your Max workbook. Wow, 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 wow. Lovely children. Good. Take. I am also taking. Yes. Now, you too take your Max workbook. Wow, children. Okay? Perfect. Okay, in that, we are going to take page number 107. Matlab 107. Okay? Yes, please take 107. 107. Yes. Taken. Perfect. Super. Lovely, children. Now read what we should do first once we take the page. Wow. Write the date. Super, children. What is the date today? What is today's date? 9-10-2020. And heading CW. Right. Done. Date and heading. Done. Perfect. So cute. Yes. And they have given the heading for that. What is that? First read the heading. Yes. Over and under. Over and under. What is it? Over and under. Understood? Chalo. Now read this is topic. Over and under is topic. This is the topic. Now read the heading. What we have to do, that is the heading. So the topic was over and under. Now read the heading. Yes, read the sentence and tick the tick mark. The correct picture. See, we have 3 different boxes here. Correct? 3 different set of boxes are here. So we are going to tick according to the question what they have given. Okay? Okay. We will go slowly. No problem. See here. You can see in that first green box. Yes. You can see the frog picture and the mushroom picture. Correct? Yes. In that picture, what they have asked? The frog is jumping over the mushroom. Over matlab above. See, in which picture the frog is jumping over the mushroom? Which picture? In which picture the frog is jumping? Yes, in the first picture. Very good. Now give the tick mark. That is what they have asked. Give the tick mark. Good. Now, in the second picture, below picture, what it is given, asked, what picture first? A flower and a beautiful butterfly. What is this? Beautiful butterfly. Good. What they have asked in that? Just read that sentence. The butterfly is under the flower. The butterfly is under the flower. Under the flower. Correct? So, in which picture the butterfly is under the flower? See, in the first picture, the butterfly is above, over. In the next side picture, the butterfly is below. Matlab under the flower. Correct? So, which one we should take? Second picture. Very well. Done? Oh, go. Super. Very good. Chal. Now comes your lovely part which you will like it. Yes? Draw the sun over the bridge. What is that? Draw the sun over the bridge. What is there below first? Water. In that water which is jumping, water animals, remember? See? The sun. Yes? Around and dashes. Correct? A line. You know to draw the sun, na children? Yes. That's what I'm thinking. Yes, children. Yes, perfect. Correct. You know. Yes. Understood. Done? Good. Done? Very well. This is very good, not my sweet children? Yes? Okay. See, now I'm going to give you a homework page which you all like it, which is just simply coloring. You want to see? I'll show you now. What? Oh, beautiful. Now see here, children. This page number 85, you're going to do as homework. 2 pages. Wait. First I will tell complete this now. Okay? 2 pages you're going to do as homework. See, what is that? More and less. You know this. Correct? We have done already. Correct na? Yes. So, these 2 pages, 85 and page number 86. You're going to do this as homework. What is this? 2 pages, 85 and 86 as homework. Okay? Yes? Very good. So, these 2 pages are homework for you. You are going to just simply color that. What? Just see the heading. See, color the shapes which are more in number, color the shapes which are less in number, this page. Okay? Only that you are going to do this. Coloring you all will like it. Correct na? So, the homework is easy for you now, my sweet children. Yes. Perfect. Okay? Okay, children. Now the maths session is over. See you soon. We'll be back. Bye-bye.